pure fucking ice. Okay, that happened. Holy shit. Everything's frozen and I'm going back inside. Okay, we'll deal with that later. Okay, a few more sips and maybe I can face this. Fucking brain is frozen. My freaking pole betrayed me. Everything's soaked. Carpets are soaked. The couch completely soaked. Fuck. It doesn't look like there's any damage to the tent though. I mean, except for a couple of broken poles. I think just one broken pole. Damn. There's water everywhere. This is going to be a cleanup process for sure. Yep. Yep. Oh my God. Oh my God. Disaster. Send me some money. Send me some money. Okie dokie. I'm signing out. It's 4:20 somewhere. Go fucking roll me a blunt.